Example 2. Convert 6 radians to degrees. So R என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு 6 radian கொடுத்திருக்கு. Capital R represents the radian measure. Okay. So 6 radians. I need to convert it into degree. நமக்கு என்ன தெரியும்? R equals pi d divided by 180. So I need to find my d. அப்போ என்ன formula? 180 divided by pi times R. So what is my radian measure? It is 6. So 180 divided by pi times 6. இப்போ pi ஓட value 22 by 7 போடலாம். So I have 180 degree divided by 22 by 7. So into 7 into 6. So இப்போ இதை cancel பண்ணலாமா? I have 2 11s are 2 3s are. So I'll have 180 times 21 divided by 11. So what I have? 3780 divided by 11. So இதை இப்படியே விடக்கூடாது. This is my degrees. Okay. So I have to convert this into degree, minutes and seconds. Okay. So that is the basic form of representing the degrees. Okay. So இப்போ இதை வந்து நான் division பண்ண போறேன். 3780 divided by 11. So I have 11 3s are 33, 48, 11 4s are 44, 40, again 11 3s are 33, 7. So இப்போ என்ன வந்திருக்கு? I have 343, 7 divided by 11. This is what I get when I write it in terms of mixed fraction. So this is nothing but it is in degrees, இல்லையா? But இந்த இடத்துல denominatorல 11 இருந்ததுனால தான் I did this step. Now I have to convert this 7 by 11 to in terms of minutes and seconds because that is the way of representing. So இதை எப்படி split பண்ணி எழுதலாம்? 343 plus 7 divided by 11 ரெண்டுமே டிகிரில இருக்கு. So this is my first step. Second step என்ன? இந்த 7 by 11 minute convert பண்ணணும் because I have something in the denominator. What is the next unit? Degree, minutes and seconds. This is the order of writing your answer. So 7 by 11 என்ன பண்ணலாம்? 7 by 11 degree இருக்கு. I want to convert it into minutes. So what do I have? 60 minutes divided by 1 degree. Degree cancel ஆகணும்னா I can use this relation. So I can cancel the degrees. So what am I left with? 7 6 are 42. So I have 420 divided by 11 minutes. So it is 343 degrees plus 420 by 11 minutes. Okay. So இப்போ இது வந்து further I still have a denominator. So what can I do? When I divide, I have 11 3s are 33, 90, 11 8s are 88, 2. So இது என்னது further it will become, what is my third step? 420 divided by 11 minutes is nothing but 38, 2 by 11 minutes. Again I have a denominator. So என்ன பண்ணலாம்? My fourth step is converting this 2 by 11. So 2 by 11 minutes seconds convert panna. What relation can I use? I can use 60 minutes divided by 1 minute. So minute to minute cancel achana 6 2s are 12. 120 divided by 11 seconds. Okay. So if 120 divided by 11 and when I do that, I have 11 1s are, then I have a 0 0 9s are. It will be 10.9. And this is a recurring thing. So I'll have 10.9 seconds. So what is my final answer? I have 343 degrees. அதுக்கப்புறம் எவ்வளோ minutes இருக்கு? 38 minutes and 10.9 seconds. Okay? Is it clear? So basically I am adding each and every term. So I have a radian measure. I need to find the degree. Degreeல வந்து எனக்கு denominatorல ஒரு number வருது. I should not get a number in the denominator for degrees. So I am converting this in terms of mixed fraction. So when I do that step, this is what I obtain. This is my first mixed fraction. So in the mixed fraction, I have degree and degree. I'm going to convert this again to minutes because this is the way of representing. So what is my final answer? You see it is 343 degrees, 38 minutes and 10.9 seconds. Okay, this is the final way of representing the answer. So அதுக்காக what steps am I doing? 7 by 11 first minute convert பண்றேன். I have this whole number separately. Then I'm going to convert this in terms of minutes because I have it in degree. So இதை minute convert பண்ணனும்னா என்ன பண்ணனும்? Degree cancel ஆகணும்னா I'm going to use this relation. So இதை multiply பண்ணா I have 420 divided by 11. Again I'm going to convert this into a mixed fraction where it becomes 38 2 by 11. So this is my first step. Then I have 38 2 by 11. So it becomes 38 minutes. Again I'm converting this into seconds. Again I'm using this relation. So I have 2 times 60, 120 divided by 11. So if 120 divided by 11 minutes is nothing but I have 10.999 இந்த மாதிரி ரெக்கரிங்கா போயிட்டே இருக்கும். I have 10.9090 அந்த மாதிரி ரெக்கராகும். So this is my final answer. So again I have this. This is the final way of representing. Okay? This is my final answer. Example 3. Find the radius of the circle in which the central angle is 60 degree. So angle கொடுத்திருக்கு. Degree measure கொடுத்திருக்கு. Degree measure is nothing but 60 degree and the length is 37.4 centimeter. They are asking us to find the radius of the circle. So radius வேணும்னா என்ன வேணும்? What is the relation I know? L equals r theta, where r is my radius and theta is my degree, is my angle in radian. Angle in radian na I am given the angle in degrees. So அப்ப என்ன relation தெரியும்? R equals pi d divided by 180 degree. So என்ன வரும்? Pi divided by 180 times 60. So இது cancel பண்ணா I'll have 3. So which is pi divided by 3. So இப்போ L என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? 37.4 centimeter equals R, which we have to find, times pi divided by 3. So R oda value என்ன? 37.4 times 3 divided by pi. Pi oda value என்ன? 22 by 7. So I'll have 37.4 times 3 divided by 22 by 7. So 7 numerator கொண்டு வரலாமா? So what am I left with? 11 2s are, 11 ஆல cancel பண்ணா 11 3s are, 11 4s are. So 3.4. Then I have 1.7. So 1.7 times 21, which will be 35.7 centimeter. So my final answer is 35.7 centimeter is my radius. Okay. Example 4. The minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. Minute hand எப்படி இருக்கும்? It will be this. So அப்ப இது வந்து radius. So it is given that the radius is 1.5 centimeter long. So how far does the tip move after 40 minutes? So 40 minutes க்கு அப்புறம் tip எப்படி move ஆகுது? So இப்ப tip இங்க இருக்குனா after 40 minutes where will the tip be? இப்ப இந்த மாதிரி rotate ஆச்சுனா my minute hand always goes in the clockwise direction. So if it gets rotated like this, my minute hand final position will be here. So இப்போ இவன் என்ன கேக்குறான்? What will be this length if it moves 40 minutes ன்னு சொல்றோம். So basically what do you know? For 60 minutes it makes one revolution which is 360 degree. 60 minutes க்கு full போச்சுனா it is a 360 degree. So what is given? It travels for 40 minutes. So what will be my degree? I have to find that out. So x equals cross multiply பண்ணா 360 times 40 divided by 60. So what do I have? இது cancel ஆகும். 2 divided by 3. So I have இது cancel ஆச்சுனா 120. So it will be 120 degree times 2, which will be 240. So x oda value enna 240 degrees, but I want it to be in terms of radian because L equals r theta la theta is the angle which is measured in radians. So this radian எப்படி convert பண்ணலாம்? I have r equals pi d divided by 180 degree, which is pi divided by 180 times 240. So this will be 6 3s are, 6 4s are. So what is my value? 4 pi by 3 radians. So in the formula substitute panna, I have r which is given to be 1.5 centimeters times 4 pi by 3 radians. Okay. So either cancel panna, it will be 0.5. So I have 0.5 times 4 times pi 5. 5 4s are 20. Point irukku. So it will be 2 pi. Pi oda value enna 3.14. So when I multiply, I'll have 6.28 centimeters. Okay. Be very careful with the unit. Example 5. If the arcs of same length in two circles subtend angles 65 and 110 degrees, find the ratio of their radii. So ரெண்டு angle கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So D1 is 60 degrees and D2 is 110 degrees. It is given that L1 equals L2 equals L. ரெண்டுத்துக்கும் length of the arc is the same. Find the ratio of their radii. So இதுக்கு R1 R2. So I need to find what my ratio is of the radii. Okay. So இப்போ இது வந்து டிகிரில கொடுத்திருக்கு. I need to convert it into radians. So this R equals pi D1 divided R1 equals pi D1 divided by 180 degree. அதே மாதிரி R2 equals pi D2 divided by 180 degree. This is my radius. This is my radian measure. Okay. Confuse ஆகாதீங்க. So I have pi by 180 times first another 60 degree. So இது cancel பண்ணா 6 3s are. So this will be pi by 3. This is my radian 1. இதுக்கு வந்து pi divided by 180 times D2 is 110. So I have 11 pi divided by 18. sorry, this is 65 degrees. 65 degree, so it will be 65 divided by 180, which will be 5 1s are 5 3s are 5 3s are, so it will be 13 pi divided by 36. So this will be my radian measure 1 and this will be my radian measure 2. So formula equals r theta. I'll write r1 is to r2 here. What is this? So basically L1 equals R1 theta 1 and L2 equals R2 theta 2. What is my L1? L1 is nothing but L, okay? R1 another radius 1, which we need to find out. So it is R1. Theta 1 another radian measure. So it will be 13 pi divided by 36. Adhe mari L2 is again L. What will be my R2? We need to find out. What will be my theta 2? 11 pi by 18. So I have 11 pi divided by 18. Two sides LHS is equal, so I am going to equate the RHS. So what do I have? R1 times 13 pi divided by 36 equals R2 times 11 pi divided by 18. Okay, so if in that R1 by R2 ennago, R1 by R2 is nothing but, first the pi and the pi will get cancelled, then 18 2s are 36. So what will I be left with? I have 11 times 13 by 2. When it comes to the other side, it becomes 2 by 30. So I'll have 22 divided by 13. This is my ratio. So R1 is to R2 is 22 is to 13. This is the ratio of my radian. Okay, you understood what I did here? The LHS is equal, so I'm equating my RHS.